Thank you for joining us on this tutorial as we help you create and set up your TempAlert account for the first time. You want to go to the top of your browser page and type in alerts.topjetsales.com. It'll bring you to the login page. If you're here for the first time, you're going to want to hit the Get Started button here. If not, you'll be able to just put your user and password in that you set up and click remember. You can go right in there every time. But if this is the first time, you want to hit that button, get started here, and it'll bring you to this page. You want to just put in the name of your company and information here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you put the time zone in, and then you'll click on the next button, which will bring you to contact information, name. You'll also be prompted to put a user and password in, and then your email, cell phone, and cell carrier that you use. This will be used for your being notified later on once everything is set up. It'll notify you, and of course everything can be edited later on. If you don't want to be the one that gets notified, that can be changed, and you can add multiple users on here. So we'll get to those tutorials later on. So then you'll hit the next button, and that'll bring you to creating sensor network. This typically most people just put in the name of their company again, and you can hit create sensor network. That'll bring you to this page, and here you'll take out your gateway, which is the monitoring station, and you will take that and flip that over. That you should have received in a box with the directions, and you'll flip that over, and you want to put the gateway ID number in first. That you'll find next to the barcode, and also the gateway code, which it'll prompt you to put that in with capital letters. So you might want to put the caps button on your keyboard, and then you want to assign the gateway. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page, which is saying that your gateway has been set up, and now you want to go and assign sensors or a sensor, all depending on how many you have. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page, and this I actually put in the sensor already. You'll take your sensor or sensors, you'll take it, flip it over, and under the barcode you'll find the sensor ID and the code. You'll put that information in. Once you put that information in, you hit assign sensor, and it'll bring you to this page. It says sensor name. Well, you want to identify it. Let's say you're going to use, let's say you have an outside, take the caps off, outside walk-in box. And then what you want to do is you want to put in here, and let's say it's for a refrigerator. So if it's a refrigerator, if it's a freezer, you can put that down. And then now this is one of your sensors, outside walk-in box, and then you will continue. That'll bring you now have your gateway set up, you have your one sensor set up. If you have more than one sensor, you want to click on this button now and set up all your sensors, and you can put names. Make sure you put the proper sensor that you're naming in the proper refrigerator, freezer, or whatever application you use it for. So you don't want to mix up the sensors. Make sure you label what you're using it for. And it also will prompt you to assign notifications to the sensor. At this time, you want to hit the done button, and we'll go on to the notification tutorial. But first, set this all up, and then you can hit the done button and watch those other videos, and that'll help you set up your notifications. So I hope this helped create your account. Give us a call if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.